morning students and welcome in our grammar online class. We are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 15, that, those. These words are used with nouns. That and those, these words are used with nouns. We use these nouns to denote the things whether they are far away or over there. We use these words to denote whether the things are far away or over there. See students, when we use that? We use that for only one thing. We have learned singular, plural. So when there is only one thing, or if we are talking about only one thing, that time we have to use that. And if we are talking about more than one thing, then we have to use the word those. Clear? So see, next rule is that whenever you are converting a singular sentence into a plural sentence, that time you have to not use a and. You have to not use a and what will happen? From that singular sentence, when you are converting it into a plural sentence, is will change into are. Is will change into are. As you can see this picture, see here is a girl, this is a branch of a tree and a bird is sitting on a branch of a tree. So see the sentence is that is a bird. That is a bird. This bird is far away from this girl. So she is saying that is a bird. Here are how many birds? Only one bird. That's why see here we are writing B-I-R-D bird. Only one bird. So we know, we have seen about articles. Before now we use article. So as we know B is a consonant, so we will write here a bird. Okay. Whereas if we see this picture, here is a girl and again here is a branch of a tree and bird. Now here are how many birds? Here are 3 birds. 1, 2, 3 birds. So we have just seen that we use those for a more than one thing. So we will write here those, and as we have seen, is will change into are, where in a plural form. So we will write here are and here are 3 birds. Okay. So we will write spelling of bird and we will simply add ears to make it plural form. So the sentence will become those are birds. Those are birds. So let's solve exercise depending on this. So see, BA, complete the sentences with that is or those are. So as you can see, here are some questions and here are some pictures. Okay. So for example, what is that? What is that? We use that and those for the things which are far away. So what is that? So as you can see this picture is of a bus. So what we will do? How we will write? We will write that is. Why? Because here is only one bus, singular, one bus. So we will use here that is. Then which picture is this? Bus. So we will write the spelling of bus, and we know before writing a noun we always add an article only for singular sentence. So the sentence will become that is a bus, and at the end of the sentence we have to add full stop. Okay. So let's solve the next example. Number 1. What is that? So see that. What is that? So what we will do? We will firstly write that is. Which picture is this? This is a picture of a cloud. So cloud spelling starts with C. It is a consonant. So we will write here firstly a cloud. C-L-O-U-D, and I will put here full stop. Why? Because here is only one cloud. That's why we are writing that is a cloud. Number 2. What are those? What are those? So see in this picture. Whose picture is this? This is the picture of kittens. These are the babies of cats. So how many kittens are there? 1, 2, 3. So here are more than one. It is a plural form. So for plurals we use those are. See students, our sentence is saying that if it is singular you have to use that is, and if it is more than one we have to use those are. So we are writing those are. These are kittens. So we will write K-I-T-T-E-L. Yes, and we will put full stop. Okay. So remaining one you can solve by your own. let's see the next bit, that is bit B. We write these sentences in the plural form. So as you can see, this is sentence. You have to write again this sentence but in a plural form. So see, for example, that is a train. That is a train. This is a singular form sentence. You have to change into a plural form. So we know for plural form what we use? We use those are. Okay. What are those are? See, here is train. So we write the spelling of train and we will add ears to make it plural form. So the sentence will become those are trains, and at the end of the sentence you have to add full stop. Okay. So the sentence will become those are trains. Number 1, that is a house. So for making plural form, which word we use? We use here those. Why? Because we are learning now that those. Those are, what is here? House. So we write the firstly spelling of house and we will just simply add yes to it, and at the end of the sentence we put full stop. So the sentence will become those are houses. Okay. So this is how we can solve the remaining portion. See you in the next video.